Hello dear students, welcome to the physical education class. Students, today we are going to discuss about the Indian Olympic Association. The International Olympic Committee, it means IOC, is the governing body of modern Olympic Games as you know, but in every country it has the national committees also, and in India we have the committee which is known as Indian Olympic Association. The Indian Olympic Association was formed in 1927. Sir Dorabji Tata was the first president and Dr. Nehru as the secretary. This is India's national committee and it is affiliated to International Olympic Committee. Sir Dorabji Tata was also elected first IOC member in India, and in 1928 Sir Dorabji Jamsetji Tata resigned for the post of president of IOC. After that, Maharaja Pinder Singh became the president of IOC in 1928, and in the same year the Indian hockey team was sent to the Olympic Games which were held in Amsterdam in 1928. The Indian hockey team which participated first time in Olympic Games secured the gold medal. On 4 December 2012, the International Olympic Committee suspended the IOA on the basis of corruption, and especially in the IOA, International Olympic Association, there was the government interference. That's why IOC suspended the IOA, and it was very shame for our nation because it was not following the guidelines of IOC. Because in the committee under the IOC there should be no discrimination and there should be no interference of the political things or political leaders. Then what happened? Several members of IOA have been charged with crime, and it was the warning to the India: if the suspension is not lifted before the next Olympic, competitors from India will not compete under the Olympic flag. The IOA was formally banned for not following the Olympic character in their elections, instead following the Indian government's sports code. Okay, now the councils consist of various members like one president, 9 vice president, 6 joint secretaries, 1 secretary general, 1 honorary treasurer, 7 representatives of state Olympic associations, and 12 representatives of national sports federation or associations. This is the committee of IOA. Okay, let's discuss about the functions of Indian Olympic Association. Indian Olympic Association follows the rules under the guidance of the IOC. Okay, now the headquarters of IOA is in the New Delhi, and the functions are development and promotion of the Olympic movements in India, to follow the rules and regulations of International Olympic Committee and the Indian Olympic Association, and not to indulge in the associate with any activity which is in contradiction with the Olympic Charter, to be the official organization in complete form and whole charge of the all the matters related to Olympic event, to take disciplinary action against any federation for the misbehavior or any other undesirable activities bringing discredit to the country, to undertake with the assistance of national sports federations the financing, management, transportation, maintenance and welfare of teams from India taking part in Olympic Games and other games which are organized under the IOC, to take this step for the creation of National Olympic Academies, Olympic museums, and other cultural institutes related to the Olympic movements. These are the functions of IOA, which is under the IOC.